Hello, this video is going to be a very quick sound test between the fake JBL Flip 3 and the real JBL Flip 3. All I'm doing is going into YouTube and searching for bass test and clicking the first result, so if you don't like the song, feel free to sue YouTube. We're gonna start with the fake one, so the speaker's volume is set to max and the computer's volume is set to 50%, and here we go. And now for the real one. Now for full volume testing, back to the fake. And now for the real one at full volume. And for the boot down sound of each speaker, the fake one and the real one. As you can hear, the fake one stands up pretty well to the real one, although the real one does a lot better with distortion at higher volumes. It also gets louder than the fake one when both are on full volume, although on lower volumes the fake one is significantly louder than the same volume setting on the real one. Also, something to take into consideration is that the fake one cannot connect to a JBL Connect with other speakers, which the real one obviously can, so you might want to think about that before making your final decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.